And time. Hello everyone, welcome to my stage. Today I'm going to share all the idea of my art, which is harmony, patterns composition, and contrast. At the first people, it is an out. In order to make it more lively, its left hand side will be bigger to shift the visual angle and highlight the harmony. Also 6 rosetta to enhance the difficulty, dragon catalyst to bring out the contrast. Now the first out is flying to you, so please wait. Our judges, let's see how to make it out. First rosetta for the wing. Three rosetta create a body. Another wing with the small one. Dragging for the feet. Rosetta create the ear. Go back to draw eyes. Mouth. And also dragging the ear. And now go back for the big feet. And finally drop and finish the patterns with the moon. Okay, and out for you. Enjoy. Well, judges, let's see another out for you. First rosetta for the wing. Three rosetta create the body. Another wing with the small one. Dragging for the feet. Rosetta create ear. Go back to draw eyes. Mouth. And dragging another ear. And go back for the big feet. Now finally drop and finish the moon. Another out for you. Enjoy. And judges, the idea of my second people is about the patterns compositions. At the first, I would like to design a duck boat, but finally I'm calling a crocodile to take on my boat. 2 characters into a 1 curves to enhance the patterns composition. Okay, let's see how to put a 2 character into a 1 cup. First 2 rosetta to form the bow at the bottoms and draw out the wave. Go back to the crocodile mouth with rosetta. Dragging to outline the body. And now draw the belly slowly with the solid line. And drop. And draw out the duck and connect with the bows. And finally, go back to the crocodile nose, and finish is smiling eyes. Okay, finish the crocodiles on the duck bowl. Enjoy! Judges, another bowl is coming to you. First, two will settle to outline the bowl at the bottoms and draw out the wave. Go back to the crocodile mouth with Rosetta, dragging outline the body, and draw the belly slowly with the solid line. Now drop. Also draw out the duck and connect with the bows. And final, go back to the nose and finish their smiling eyes. Okay, finish. Let's get to the bowl together. Enjoy. And judges, the last idea is about the contrast. By using a stack and dragging tennis into a small curve can highlight the most contrast. Okay, let's see how to make a baby crocodile. Double mixing for the clean surface. Step 4 layer for the highly contrast body. Now dragging for the mouth. And draw out the body slowly with the solid line. And go back to the nose and finish the smiling eyes. Okay, the baby crocodiles. Enjoy. Okay, another baby crocodiles for you. Enjoy. And I hope you all enjoy my presentation today. Thank you. And time.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Please give it up to Kwun Kid representing Hong Kong. 我哋香港嘅代表啊，唔係我哋啦，你哋。